see
Yay.
birds for the first time in 20 years.
Well, I wanted you to film the tree because I was curious to how that thing shot it.
Chicken noodle and the grass too tight. Be on it. And we're gonna do a flat earth condo sale. I'm gonna sell you condos on the flat earth.
That's why you can barely catch a picture of the moon. Because
when we get a proverbial chicken.
ooh, that is a
it's all
first
over.
quarter. Oh my God, I haven't seen it like this in a while.
Check out the moon and there'll be a chicken dance soon.
First quarter. It is in Gemini. That was loud. And vibrations. And shows you what sounds and what have you can do. Here comes another one. You feel that. Shit. Oh, I did pretty good with that.
Macaroni Grill in Tampa, Florida.
Where'd he just go?
On the corner of
Okay.
Ferris and Del Mar.